Hi everyone, Jamie Humphries here and welcome to another lesson where today we're going to take a look at Should I Stay or Should I Go by The Clash. Okay, so let's kick things off by taking a look at the introduction. I'll play it through for you first of all. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's take a look at that iconic introduction. Nice and straightforward. We're playing a D chord, 3 downstrokes, 4 downstrokes on a G major, and then we play a single strike on the D major. So put that together. Then we have 3 rate mutes. Now, when you play those, you're not really you're more of a rake. Okay, then we play the riff again. Then we have this little hammer-on lick. Now, this is actually quite deceptively hard. I always thought it was that, but when you play that very fast hammer, you're actually catching the top E, so you're almost barring your first finger across the top 2 strings, and we get... So do a down pick and hammer, and then an up pick on the top E. I'm kind of wondering whether that top note was intentional or whether it was kind of caught and it was a little bit of a happy accident. But you could play it as that, a very fast hammer on with that little kind of pickup on the top E. So you're going to go... Then we conclude the introduction by simply playing the D major to G major riff twice with no rakes or fill in between. So for those final 2 times you play it, just make sure you mute the strings and observe the space between the riffs.